Hey there, kitchen aficionados. Today, we're diving into the world of blending with a review of the Immersion blender that promises to take your culinary creations to the next level. If you've been on the hunt for a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly blending tool, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into the details. Powerful motor. First things first, let's talk about the heart of this Immersion blender, its powerful 625-watt motor. Whether you're blending tough ingredients for soups, sauces, or smoothies, this motor has the muscle to handle it all. Say goodbye to lumps and chunks in your recipes. Unique bell guard. One of the standout features of this blender is its unique bell guard. It's not just there to look good. It's designed to reduce suction and ensure ingredients flow smoothly through the blades. Plus, it's a guardian angel for your pots, pans, and blending containers, preventing unsightly scratches and marring. 5 speeds and 4-pronged blade. Versatility is the name of the game with this Immersion blender. You get 5 variable speed settings to fine-tune your blending to perfection. Whether you want to whip up a velvety soup or create a chunky sauce, these settings have you covered. And speaking of coverage, the 4-pronged blade ensures efficient blending from top to bottom. One-handed operation. Now, let's talk about convenience. The ergonomic handle design makes it a breeze to operate this blender with one hand. That means you can keep adding ingredients with your other hand without missing a beat. It's multitasking at its finest. Precise textures. Are you a texture enthusiast? From chunky tomato sauce to silky smooth purees, this blender can do it all. You have the power to create precisely the textures you desire using whole food ingredients. It's a game changer for homemade sauces and soups. Silky smooth purees and baby food. Parents, take note. This Immersion blender is your secret weapon for making silky smooth purees and nutritious baby food in seconds. Control exactly what your little one eats and say goodbye to store-bought baby food. Dips and spreads. If you love hosting gatherings or just enjoy a good snack, you'll appreciate the ease with which this blender can whip up dips and spreads. From after-school snacks to party platters, your creations are sure to be a hit. Dressings. But that's not all. You can also become a dressing maestro. Create flavorful dressings that can double as marinades for your entrees. Say goodbye to store-bought dressings with questionable ingredients. User-friendly features. Let's wrap things up with a quick recap of the user-friendly features that make this Immersion blender a kitchen superstar. 5 variable speed settings. Customize your blending experience. LED light display. Keep track of your selected speed setting. Scratch resistance blade guard. Protect your cookware. Easy twist lock assembly. No complicated setup required. Stainless steel body. A sleek addition to your kitchen. In conclusion, the Immersion blender is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool that can tackle a wide range of blending tasks. From soups to sauces, smoothies to baby food, it's a versatile workhorse that makes your culinary adventures a breeze. If you're ready to take your blending game to the next level, don't hesitate to add this to your kitchen arsenal. Ready to experience the magic of this Immersion blender for yourself? Click the link in the description below to get your very own and start creating culinary masterpieces in your own kitchen. Cheers to hassle-free blending.